The Nervous System by Wolfgang Stebbins. The nervous system. It has two parts, the peripheral nervous system and the central nervous system. The central nervous system. It is your brain and spinal cord. It processes and responds to all messages coming from the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system. It is all the parts of the nervous system except for the brain and spinal cord. It connects all the parts of the body to the central nervous system. It uses nerves to pass information from the central nervous system. Neurons. The peripheral nervous system uses neurons. Neurons are a nerve cell that is specialized to receive and conduct electrical impulses. The neuron receives information from other cells by using dendrites. A neuron can have many dendrites that allow it to receive information or impulses from thousands of cells. Impulses are carried away by axons. Axons are elongated extensions of a neuron. Some neurons are sensory neurons. Sensory neurons gather information about what is happening in and around the body. They have specialized nerve endings called receptors which detect changes inside and outside the body. There are also motor neurons, neurons that send information to the brain from the brain and spinal cord to other nervous systems. Somatic and autonomic nervous systems. The somatic nervous system, neurons that stimulate skeletal muscles and control voluntary movement. The autonomic nervous system controls your bodily functions that are involuntary. They have two divisions, the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. They work together to create homeostasis. The brain. The brain is the control center and the largest organ of the nervous system. Each part of the brain has its own job. The brain gets impulses. Impulses are information that when it reaches the brain it creates a sensation. For example, your eyes see someone and you recognize them. The medulla is the smallest part of the brain. It connects your brain and spinal cord. It controls involuntary processes and keeps heart rate normal. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is the dome-shaped top of the brain where you think and most memories are stored. It has two parts called hemispheres. The left one controls the right side and the right one controls the left side. The cerebellum is located on the back of the cerebrum. It allows you to keep balance and its job is to process sensory information. The spinal cord, its job is to carry information from the brain using motor neurons. The end.